Hello, YouTube. Today we're reviewing the fan. Now, I've been using it all throughout winter. Right now it's 60 degrees Fahrenheit on, pointing out to the outside. Very great, works good. Link in the description down below. It's been so long that I don't even know the brand of it anymore. Good 3-speeder box fan. I got the what's it called? The other thing taped, the air filter taped right there. Um, I got the extension cord. I broke, my fan broke the one plug. Probably since it's been on since forever, non-stop, the longest. Two extensions, then the fan cable to the next plug. It's great. Yep, it's good. Plastic, copper for the wires. Everything is good. I'm able to sleep at the 3rd speed. I'm a heavy sleeper, so it doesn't matter to me. Just good, clean oxygen air in the house, as much as I can get. This is how it sounds like. Some of the sound is being buffered by the air filter. Merv 9 or so, I believe. Great, made out of metal. You guys keep on reusing it, cleaning it, everything. Yep. You guys should try it. Boom. Okay. Like, subscribe, press the bell button, leave a comment in the comment section down below. Thanks everybody. Give me all those buttons. Give me the super like thing too. Bye.